Instant Pot Chana Masala. Dear friends, welcome to Joe's Simple Kitchen. Today we are going to make chana masala in Instant Pot. We have 1 cup of chickpeas soaked in water. This chana needs to be soaked in water for at least 5-6 hours to make it soft, little soft, so that it can be cooked together in the masala. We have 1 cup of chickpeas, Kabuli chana. You can use black one also, but this tastes better for chana masala. So 1 cup soaked in water, and we have 1 cup of onion. You can use red onion too. We have small tomato chopped, and with that we are going to add little less than half cup of tomato paste. That's why we have very little tomato, and quarter cup of coconut milk. This gives the creamy texture. With that, these are the masala we are going to add. 1 tablespoon of grated garlic and 1 tablespoon of grated ginger. We have, how much is this?
1 teaspoon of
1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of chili powder. You can add more chili powder if required. You want it to be spicy. We have half teaspoon, and we have quarter teaspoon of garam masala and quarter teaspoon of fennel seeds to give aroma. Let's start cooking. These are the masala. It's a very simple process, quick and easy chana masala recipe. Set the mode to saute in Instant Pot and add 1 tablespoon of oil for frying masala and onion. Once the oil is hot, we will start adding stuff. Now the oil is hot, we will add fennel seed, then we add chopped onion. While sauteing onion, add a pinch of salt. It will make it cook faster. Just a sprinkle. This needs to be fried for 3-4 minutes to slight brown. Onion is fried well. Now we will add ginger and garlic. Ginger paste, garlic paste, and fry this for 2 minutes, 1 to 2 minutes. Next we add tomato. Make sure Instant Pot is in saute mode. You can increase the timer. Onion will take 7-8 minutes to cook, so you need to increase the timer. When you set the mode to saute, it defaults to 10 minutes. It might take more than 10 minutes. Now we add the tomato paste, half cup, little less than half cup. We are not going to add the coconut milk now. That will be added later after we cook the chana in the masala. Let's mix it, then we add all the dry ingredients, then chana goes in. Now we add the dry ingredients: turmeric, chili powder, coriander powder, and garam masala. We are going to add salt later after the chickpeas is cooked. Otherwise it will take more time to cook. So coconut milk and salt goes later. We have 1 cup of chana masala, chana. It needs to be soaked very well. The chickpeas is soaked, so we are going to cook this in 1 to 1.5 cup of water. 1 cup should be sufficient so that you get a thick gravy. 1 to 1.5 cup should be good enough. We added 1.5 cup of water. 1 cup should be good if you want a thick gravy. Now we are going to pressure cook this for 10 minutes and chana masala would be ready. We will add the other 2 ingredients later. So you can put the lid on, change the mode to pressure cook and increase the time to 10 minutes. Make sure you have the whistle. Chana masala is cooked. We waited for more than 10 minutes and the pressure is gone. Now we can open. Chana masala. For 1 cup of chana we added 1.5 cup. You can even add 1 cup of water to make the gravy thick. Now we are going to add half teaspoon of salt. You can add more after tasting. And we are going to add 1/4 cup of coconut milk. We are going to put it in saute mode and we are going to keep it open. We are going to cook it for 5 minutes. Chana masala. Coconut milk will give creamy texture. Chana masala is ready. We cooked in instant pot, but same recipe can be done in regular pressure cooker. You can use the same step by step. Chana masala, Indian chickpeas curry, cooked in instant pot. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get instant notifications. Thank you.